Each clip isn't just an incident, it's a lesson. This video has been created for educational purposes, featuring original text-based commentary to help you understand every moment more clearly.
Hello? Hey, woman! God! Oh! 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 Oh, shit. Sports equipment. Jeez. Fucker. Bro. That's what. Oh my God!
And death row was still the label that paid. But you know how that go. We flow toe for toe. If you ain't on the road, you ain't your.
Continue on Brimley Road for 1.5 kilometers.
Mom!
Call 911, call.
I'll call.
Oh my God. What is this Range Rover doing? Yeah.
Clear movement that inspires. Twice in a row now, flyers voted Cathay Pacific's economy class as the best in the world at Skytrax. Maybe it's time for on board.
according to Tony Hinchcliffe. That's my number one source of news. But he actually has a bit about it. It's really funny. But okay, Garmin.
Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil. But because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
Light, Andrew thought. Could it be his madness caused by the taint? Is it still there? Andrew noticed for the first time that he was shielded, which they never did to captives unless letting their dose of fort root wane so they could be turned.
What are you doing?
That sent a spike of panic through him.
What are you
coming
doing?
for him next?
Move!
The bar
Move!
sent. I have an idea.
Move!
Andrew started coughing through his gag. Evan jumped, then came over, bringing out his water flask and pouring water on the gag. Abors, one of Taim's flunkies, lounged against the wall.
What are
He
you
was holding
doing?
a shield. He glanced at Andrew, but something at the other side of the room drew his attention. Andrew coughed worse, so Evan untied the gag and rolled him to the side, letting him spit out the water. Quiet now, Evan said, glancing.
Garmin, save video. Okay, Garmin, save video. Save video.
Allen 911, what is the address of your emergency?
Yeah, I think I just got hit by a drunk driver, somebody disabled or something in my car.
So there's an auto accident, sir?
Just wait in your car. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Where's this accident occurred? Where did the accident occur?
Where was I? I'm on North Angel Parkway, just past East Main Street. Heading
going north or south on Angel?
Heading north. This guy looks like he's in a lot of pain. He's not from the accident, but he swerved into me, and he can't walk, and he looks like, I don't know, maybe he just got out of the hospital or something.
Okay.
I think I'm in
What's
Allen.
the color make of each?
Go. Alright. I see why your car's fucked up. Oh, no way. No way. Holy sh... Oh god. That's not how that works. Yeah! Dumb fuck.
Hey, dude. Shit.
Emergency video.
Oh my god. Oh! What the fuck? Dude, she's totally fucking out. That's fucking crazy. Is she awake? No, she's totally asleep. Yeah, like if it'll fall, she'll wake up and just goes back to sleep.
Near his home in Baghdad. Prime Minister Mustafa al-Kadhimi vowed to find and punish the killers and said the city would name a street after him. 33, the new death toll from COVID-19 in the United States after hundreds more people recently lost their lives. The CDC also confirming nearly 3 million cases.
ILH 668
comes from DuckDuckGo.
Call 911.
Chemistry when the stars are not answered. For whatever the reason is. Maybe that's the answer. But for now, that's have to build chemistry when the stars are not answered. For whatever the reason is. Maybe that's the answer.
Honk, babe, honk!
What the fuck is he doing?
He's sleeping, babe! Stop! He probably fell asleep or something. What? He's not paying attention.
If you enjoy real footage and videos full of life lessons like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And yes, let us know in the comments if something like this has ever happened to you.